Hello everyone, let me guide you through the demo of Escalation in Odoo by BrowseInfo. This powerful tool automates the escalation process by tracking unresolved tasks, ticket or workflow and escalating them to the right person or team based on predefined rules. Set escalation criteria such as deadlines, priorities or status, ensuring critical issues never slip through the cracks. Perfect for customer service, project management, and internal operations. This module enhances accountability, boosts efficiency, and improve overall responsiveness. So, we will go into the settings. Under user and company, in users, we will create two different user, one for user purpose and another for manager purpose. I have created John for user purpose and Peter as manager purpose. Now we will go into the employee and make sure to create two different employees same as John and Peter. Here I have created John and also Peter. Now we will go into the project module and here we can see a menu for escalation. Under that we can see two different options, task related escalation and manager escalation. First of all, we will go into the manager escalation, click on new and enter the escalation title. Here I am typing management meeting and I will write same for the description, management meeting. After that, you can also see who created this escalation. Here we can see that it is created by Michelle admin. Now you will assign the employee. Here I am assigning John as user. Here you can see the escalation is in draft state. Now if I click on move to discussion, you can see that the state would be changed to discussion. Here you can see that the stage is moved to discussion. Now we will log in as John, the user we assigned, and here we can see one task is assigned to us as you have been assigned to management meeting for the escalation management. Not only here, but also you will have a mail for the task. Here you can get the details, and if you click on the email, you can get the details of the task. Now again, we will come here and we will assign a manager in the further escalation. We will assign Peter and we'll save it. After that, we will click on move to escalated. Now we can see that the escalation is moved to escalated state. Not only that, now if I log in from the Peter user, you can see I have logged in from Peter and I will get a notification in my discuss for the assigned escalation. Here you can see the message. And not only here, you will also get an email for the escalation. Here you can see further escalation to manager email. And here you can get the email details. Now again, if I click on move to solved, the escalation will move to solved state. Again, you will get an email and a message in discussion. Here we can see that we have got the email for solved escalation with all the details under. After that, now if I click on move to closed, the escalation will be in closed state as the escalation will be closed. Here you can see that it is in closed state, and also you will get an email and a message in the discussion for closed escalation. Here you will find your email and all the details. Here, if you click on that, you can redirect it to the task. Now, after that, we saw the management escalation. Now, we will go into the task related escalation. We will click on new. We will add the task escalation name. Here, I am writing meeting regarding task. Now, we will add the description. Here also you can see from whom the escalation is created, and under that you can find the field for task. You can assign a task, you can assign an employee, and after that you can click on move to you can also create a meeting from here, and after that you can click on move to discussion. Now, as you can see, the escalation is moved to discussion, and also you will get a message of assigning in your discussion. Here I am signed in as John, and I can see that I have a task assigned for meeting regarding task. Not only here, but also you will get a new task escalation email. Here you can find your email and all the details under. Now, I will assign Peter in the further escalation. After saving it, I will click on move to escalated. Now, you can see that the task is in escalated state, and when you log in from the Peter, you will get a message in the discussion. You can see I have been assigned from Peter. And not only here, as I said, you will also get an email for that. Here you can see the further escalation to manager email. Here you will find the all details of the email and the task. Now, again, I will click on move to solved. If I click on move to solved, the state will transfer to solved. Now, again, we will go and check if we got our email for solved escalation. Here you can see that you have got the email for solved escalation. Here you can find all the details of the email and the task. Now for the last, we will click on move to closed. And we can see that the task is in closed state. And same, we will get a closed escalation email in our mail and all the detail of the task. If you have any queries about this video, you can ask them in the comment box and we will solve your queries. If you feel this video is useful to you, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Odoo related videos. Thanks for watching.